Okay, so we have another Power Rangers Lightning collection today, and we're taking a look at the Mighty Morphin Metallic Yellow Ranger, which I believe is Aisha. But if you'll notice, these were Hasbro Pulse exclusives, and then they just became like fan channel or online retail exclusives because I picked this up for like $10 off of Amazon. But you notice with this specific packaging that it's been specially made that they put glitter around the silhouette of the Ranger now in the parts where it's their uniform, to because you can actually see that it's like been metallicized or glitterized down there too with the name of the team member and which team they're from. But there's that one. You get the full profile, and then you look. Okay, it doesn't have it there. Is it on this side? Yeah, it's on this side. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. And you look on the back there, there's the 3D rendering. All the stuff on there, and there's Hasbro. And if for those that need to see that, there you go. So, let's open her up and find out. Now, far be it from me to like know that I'm 100% a pro of all things Power Rangers. There's a lot of stuff of useless information that goes through my head, or useful information depending on who you're talking to. But wasn't the metallic armor like not even really used that much? Like it was just a way for the producers of the show and the creators to keep it going for another couple of episodes. The metallic armor didn't last but more than 10 episodes or so. I don't know. But anyways, let's get all this out of there. Okay, all the rest of this is taped in. So, we'll take a look at the stuff that it comes with here. We'll move her out of the way. So there is one of the daggers that's been given kind of a metallicized look too. It's a lot sharper. I don't know if it's necessarily metallicized, that just kind of made the handle more see-through as opposed to the solid yellow it was with the original. But I think there's more detail on the daggers. Well, that's been misshapen. Huh. There's the blaster. There's one hand. And there's another hand. There's the lightning power effect. And then there is her piece of the Zeo crystal. And then here is Aisha's head. And if we want to take a look at the figure, see here, there's so far as it goes up, and that's as far as it goes down. Full range of motion there. Butterfly joints for what they are. It's still a single elbow jointed figure. It's not double jointed. So they're using an old body. There's that. And that. The ab crunch. The torso swivel, or whatever it is. Van Damme. That's far there. T-pose. Ooh. Let's see if we can get... See, that one goes back really far. This one doesn't. That's almost like she's got a broken arm. But anyways, there's that. And then the wrist is back and forth. But it doesn't seem to want to be doing that too well. And this one is back and forth. So I showed you the T-pose there, or Van Damme split, calf swivel, or thigh swivel, sorry. I always mix that up, I don't know why. But there is thigh swivel. Leg joint there. Ooh, knee joint there. Calf swivel. Calf swivel. Ankle rocker there. Ankle rocker there. And what can we do? Well, I guess we can put the blaster in her hand so you can see it from that vantage view. There's the blaster there. And she can stick her blaster inside her holster. So I have that. That's really getting to me. It's like, okay, so let's see, what else can we do? Show you the different hands. Set this one off. So there is that hand. Take this hand back on there. I'll take this one out. You can see it with that hand. So there you go with that hand. And I was thinking this hand is supposed to hold her Zeo crystal, but I'm not 100% sure. So that's about it for that. I like this. So that's that there. So take this hand off and put the other one back on. So now I can have her power daggers. And we'll take that head off and we'll show you what she looks like with her civilian head on. Okay. So there she is. Aisha in all her glory. So, let's see. Is there a special? Well, it's basically just like this. Maybe. I see a little spot there. Just gonna hold it like that. Okay. So, you tell me what you think. I would give it a higher score, but because this arm is really flimsy and there's not any support for holding it back, it just goes up and down. Oh, it's gonna have to get... Let's see if I can stand her up. Okay. For me, it's gonna... I already knew that was gonna happen. Alright, I'll have to hold her. So, for me, it's gonna have to be a 7.5 because I'm really disappointed in this arm. It would have been an 8 or a 9, but I guess the metallic color and the Zeo crystal piece kind of give it a distinction among the rest of the figures, but it's still basically just the old Yellow Ranger body with like new glitter paint. But yeah, I don't know. If you got these metallic armor Mighty Morphin Rangers, let me know. And like, what's your experience with them? If you've got them all or whatever. And if you have the problem with the whole arm on Aisha being real flimsy in her left arm. But anyways, other than that, not much else to tell you. You know, be sure to like the video, subscribe if you decide that you want to, no pressure. And also to hit that bell to be notified when there's new videos coming up. And other than that, all of my socials are in the description of the videos now, so there's that going. So other than that, I'll be back with another video soon. Laters.